Hey guys, Nick here with the mic loop. Today we're going to show you how to apply a mic loop on an outer carrier that doesn't have any external Velcro to attach to. You may recall a video where we did a similar modification to a carrier that looks like a uniform shirt style like the Blower Armor Skin or the Elbaco V2. This is a custom cut vest from Vestman, and today what we're going to do is make a small modification to the exterior of the vest to allow room for a mic loop to come through to secure your mic to. Okay, so what I've done is modified the front portion of the outer carrier to have an actual buttonhole under the mic tab to facilitate a mic loop actually coming through the front of the vest and securing the mic. You can secure this a couple of ways. What I've actually chosen to do with this one is I've actually affixed an extra piece of Velcro to the actual carrier on the panel itself. Some of you guys with these outer carriers just throw the panel and the carrier in the outer carrier itself. But what we're going to do with this is we're actually going to take a micro and we're going to stick it to that added piece, and the micro is actually going to come through the buttonhole. Something else people do sometimes is actually take a full length mic loop and attach it to the body armor like you would if you were wearing this as concealed armor. So the mic loop will attach, it'll come up and actually come out where the buttonhole is. Sewing a buttonhole leaves a clean and finished look. It's not necessary to do to achieve the same functional result. Here are some examples of what your fabric may end up looking like if you choose to make the modification without sewing a buttonhole. Okay guys, once you have your outer carrier put back together and all the pieces put back inside, all you have left to do is attach your mic loop. I went ahead and put everything back together and attached the mic loop to the Velcro that I've attached to the panel carrier that's inside the outer vest. So I threaded the mic loop through the buttonhole we made. Now all that's left to do is attach your microphone. Make sure that when you attach your microphone, you turn the clip back towards the cord so it has kind of a hooking motion. So attach your mic, and once your mic is in the mic loop, it's secured. It isn't going anywhere. For extra stability, you can attach it to the mic tab, and it gives it a little more stable platform. But still yet, it's not going anywhere. Guys, I hope this tutorial is really helpful on how to affix a mic loop to an outer carrier that doesn't have any external patches or external Velcro, such as this from Vestman or any other custom cut outer carrier. Please check out our YouTube channel and our website, themicloop.com, for other tutorials on how to attach a mic loop to varying different types of vests. You guys stay safe.